Hello guys, it's Rex from JomoTech. Today I'm going to show you a new product of our company, Vapioneer H5. You can see the package, the product name, Vapioneer H5, is the world's first electronic cigarette with water filtration. Okay, let's check the side of the box. There is a name, Vapioneer H5, and the back of the package you can see many things like attentions and the keys component, and there's an anti-fade label. You can scratch and get the numbers and check the fake or real on our website. Okay, and here's the color. We have 3 colors for this keys: stainless steel, white, and black. Now here's the company information, the barcode, and some warnings. Okay, let's check what inside in the box. First of all, you can see a user manual. Okay, and the battery body. This one is without battery, and the atomizer and the water filtration unit, and the laser extra glass, and some rubber rings accessories back. Okay, let's check how to use this kit. First of all, just take the battery mod out, and this one has no battery inside. We have to put extra battery, 18650 lithium battery. Okay, please pay attention about the negative and the positive pole. On the lead there's a negative pole side. Okay, so just put a positive inside and screw the lead. Okay, screw it and put it aside. And let's check how to fill a liquid. You can see there are 2 parts on this kit, and yeah, let's unscrew the water filtration unit, and then just unscrew the top cap. Okay. Keep the rubber rings on the top cap. Now let's fill some liquid. Okay. Then we just screw the top cap to the tank. Just screw as tight as possible to avoid some leaking. Okay, we just put it aside, and let's check how to fill liquid to the glass water filtration unit. First of all, pull the drip tip out, and we can fill any drinks into the glass. Okay, like we can fill alcohol like wines, whiskey, or some water, and some drinks like Red Bull or Coca-Cola or Sprite. Here we just fill some water into the glass. Pay attention, there is a red line on the back on the glass, and this is the maximum red line for filling the liquid. Do not exceed. Okay, just fill. Yes, do not exceed. Okay, let's just put the drip tip back to the glass. Here there's a switch for turn on or turn off the glass. This one, the function is to just avoid leaking of the liquid in the glass. You can turn on when you want vaping, and you can turn off when you finish vaping. Here, let's just screw the glass unit to the atomizer. Then we just screw the two parts to the battery mode. Okay, now the battery is on because you just put the battery on the body. You can see the light. Okay, we can vape now. The water in the glass is blowing. Okay, now let's check how to replace the glass for the water filtration unit. Just unscrew it. Okay, pull out the drip tip. And just pour the water away. Okay, then we just hold the top metal part and just unscrew it. Yeah. Then take the glass out from the base. Okay, remember the rubber ring should keep on the base. Then we just take out another glass, put it on the base. Okay, then just screw the top metal part to the base. Okay, and we can fill liquid and just put the drip tip back. Yes, like water and wines. Here we stress some wines. It's fantastic. Okay, then we just screw it to the body. You can enjoy the vaping now.